fun, yeah, but yeah, it was fine. And right now, the kids were they're trying the new roller coaster ride. Yeah. So the first time that you take the ride would be like it's around 105. For 2 person, you have 1 person free, but onto your next ride you can save a lot because you are going to spend like 70 pesos each already. So yes, it's a great deal. So you better try this 4D Max ride at SMC side. So they are already done with that ride, 4D Ride Max, and I did not join the second time around because I felt so silly when riding in a simulation type of ride, which is not an actual ride. You were just, you know, doing something like this. But if that would be a real roller coaster, I would probably get into another ride. But since it's not a real ride and I felt silly every time I do something like that, so I'll just ask Baba if what is her experience on that ride. So it's your turn, Ba. So Ba, what do you think about that ride? Did you like it or did you like it not? Did you like it? I bet you like it. So which one do you like most? That horror one or the roller coaster? Roller coaster? That was more fun. Really, Ba? So would you recommend that 4D Max ride? No? So if you happen to come here at SMC side, make sure to check the 4D Ride Max. I forgot the exact name, but yeah, you better check it out because they have a really great deal on it. It's only 105 pesos, and for 3 person you have 1 additional person for free. And for your next ride you have how many? I think 30% off because you are going to pay only 70 pesos on your next ride. So yeah, I totally recommend that ride if you are into an adventure that is feeling a little silly. But yeah, check it out here at SMC side, guys. I totally recommend it. You need to try the ride. So Ate, what do you think about that ride? Did you like it? Which one did you like? That zombie or the roller coaster?
Roller coaster.
So the next time you want to ride the real one, do you want to ride the real one? Because it's much better. No, you can go like this, like that, and pack. So do you recommend it or do you recommend it not? Thumbs up. Tell everybody to come to SMC side to ride that one. Tell everybody! Come on! So yeah, we are just chilling here at the food court. It's a Monday. There's not a lot of people because it's a Monday. But yesterday was a packed, guys, because it's a Sunday. Mother, what do you think about that ride?
It's very delicious.
Huh?
Delicious.
Delicious? That ride, did you like it?
Ah, the ride?
Yeah.
Ah, very funny.
What? Do you like it? Do you like it?
I will not try it. I was lipong.
Okay, fine.
I will not try it.
Bahala na daw. Right, Bigo time.